Hey all, I'm back with another box break. This is Top Stadium Club from 1996-97, Series 1, basketball. I've had this box for maybe close to or possibly over a year. I'm finally getting around to opening it. $24 packs and 8 cards per pack. Hello? Okay, I'm back. Just had to answer that phone call. So, anyway, here we go. Stadium Club 1996-97. I think I bought this because there were some possible good Jordan cards in here, but I can't really remember, so we'll see. Alright, we've got Oliver Miller. I remember this card design now. Mookie Blaylock. Insert. Shining Moments, Brent Barry. Todd Fuller, rookie. Maybe 96-97. There might be some other pretty good rookies in here. I'm not sure. Nick Anderson, Lindsey Hunter, Ed O'Bannon, and B.J. Armstrong. Ed O'Bannon's career really fizzled out. Check the checklist. Okay. It says on the packs, the official card of NBA at 50. Olden Polynice. Loy Vaught. Another insert. Hey! Michael Jordan. Awesome. Shining Moments. Cool. Is number 23, if it'll focus. Well, not really. Anyway, so that's pretty cool. And another rookie, Kerry Kittles. Shaquille O'Neal, base card. Calbert Cheney, Dale Davis, Robert Horry. Now, 96-97, that was a big year for rookies. Excuse me. That was Allen Iverson's rookie year. Stephon Marbury, Kobe Bryant, I think Ray Allen even. I'm not sure if they would be in here or in the second series. Okay, apparently these Shining Moments cards are 1 per pack. Odds per pack. Doesn't even mention them. Jeff Hornacek, Scottie Pippen, Shining Moments. Oh wait, I got 2 in this. Shining Moments, Karl Malone. Shining Moments, Patrick Ewing. Clifford Robinson, Steve Kerr, Luke Longley, and Corey Alexander. If you'll just excuse me for a minute, I want to check out these Shining Moments cards on Beckett. Okay, apparently it's a set of 15 cards. At the rate I'm getting them, I stand a pretty good chance to get all of them, I guess. Not really worth much, though. Still, pretty nice looking cards. Okie doke. So, sorry, just checking my eBay. Okay. So some of the inserts in these are TSC Matrix Parallel, Top Stars Finest, and Refractors. Wow. Okay, I've got an insert and a rookie. First, Derek McKee, base card, Brian Stith, Clarence Witherspoon, Chris Webber, when he was still with the Bullets here. Glenn Rice being guarded by Michael Jordan. Sasha Danilovich. Okay, so the rookie is Derek Fisher, who's actually, wow, it's amazing. He was drafted the same year as Kobe. They were on the same team for a long time. So Golden Moments, Hakeem Olajuwon. And Golden Moments cards are... I really don't understand this, but it doesn't mention the Golden Moments cards either. Odd. Okay. Ooh, here's one. Yay. Top Crop Double-Sided Power Matrix. Shaquille O'Neal. Still with the Magic. And Hakeem Olajuwon. Pretty nice looking card. I like it. Let me just see. Top Crop. Those are 1 in 24 packs. It's a pretty good one with Shaq and Olajuwon on it. I guess the Jordan version would be the only better thing. Alden Palinese. Again, Brent Barry. Eric Dampier, rookie. Travis Knight, rookie. Drexler, Robert Horry, Del Curry. Now, again, I mentioned about, Kobe and Allen Iverson and all them. But I don't know if they're going to be in this box. So... They might have been in the second series. I'm willing to bet they probably were. In fact, I think these rookies... Some of them I think are not rookies. I think they were in the league in '95. But I'm not sure. Well, I guess we'll find out. Oh wow, long video. And I'm not even a quarter of the way through the box, so I'll try to be a bit quicker. Pooh Richardson, Greg Anthony, Marcus Camby, Walter McCarty, rookies, by the way. Or, well, it says rookie on them. I'm not sure if they actually are. Horace Grant, Antonio McDyess. Now, this is a cool card. Oliver Miller, Nate Archibald, reprint. 1 in 24 packs. Wow, that is definitely a neat card. Okay. Dale Davis, Calbert Cheney, Dennis Rodman, and it's one of those shining moments. Samaki Walker, rookie. Well, I'm pretty sure these aren't rookies, actually. Kevin Garnett, Bobby Phillips, Sean Respert, Eldon Campbell. Shaquille O'Neal. Oh, I didn't even notice. On the insert, he's in an Orlando uniform. But the base card has him in a Lakers uniform. Arvydas Sabonis. Sean Bradley. Right. Oh, Allen Iverson. And it says rookie. Oh, I get it. The rookie. That's why they're not rookies. They're not part of the regular set. Okay. Their inserts. R1 is the number. Well, that's alright. It's still pretty neat. And the Kobe. So that means Kobe, Ray Allen, you know. Okay, Charles Barkley. Shining Moments. George Murasan. Joe Smith. Pooh Richardson. Jim Jackson. Dennis Rodman, Shining Moments. Travis Knight, that rookie insert. Eldon Campbell. Greg Anthony. Antonio McDyess. Dale Davis. Jerry Stackhouse. Shining Moments. Oh, I'm sorry. Golden Moments. Chicago Bulls. Walter McCarty, rookie. Oliver Miller. Brent Barry. Lawrence Moten, and Bobby Phillips. Arvydas Sabonis again. Am I going to have a duplicate pack? Karl Malone, Shining Moments. Samaki Walker, rookie. Del Curry, Bryant Stiff, Kurt Thomas, and Joe Smith. I think I got an insert. Yes, I did. Or a parallel, maybe. Yeah, Topps Stadium Club Matrix parallel. It's hard to tell. The logo down here is different, and the card kind of glitters or glows a bit. The guy is Eldon Campbell. Hersey Hawkins, Elliot Perry, Scottie Pippen, Derek Fisher, rookie again, Hakeem Olajuwon, shining moments again, Sasha Danilovic, and Scottie Pippen. Charles Barkley, Bryant Stiff, Eric Dampier, Chicago Bulls, Golden Moments again. Ooh, interesting name. Tius Edney, B.J. Armstrong, Wayman Tisdale, and John Starks. I just want to check the rookies. Okay, so Kobe and Steve Nash, Ray Allen, Marbury, Sharif Abdul-Rahim, yep, they're all in it. Oh, Jermaine O'Neal. Cool. Well, let's hope I get one or two of those guys. Okay, Loy Vaught, Sam Cassell, Stephon Marbury, Dennis Rodman, shining moments, Derek McKee, Damon Stoudemire, Bob Shura, Hersey Hawkins. Okay, so I am halfway through the box. Hopefully, the next half of the box will be shorter, because I don't want this video to take forever. And it should be, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 packs left. So it's actually I'm more than halfway through the box. Anthony Hardaway, Jason Kidd, Martin Mercep, rookie. Chicago Bulls, Golden Moments again. Wow, quite a few of those. John Starks, Terrell Brandon, Gary Trent, Olden Polynice, Sean, yep. Oh. Hey, another Top Crop card. There's only supposed to be one in these a box. Anthony Hardaway and Jason Kidd. Or Jason Kidd actually is on the front. Jason Kidd and Anthony Hardaway. It's pretty cool. And actually, Shaquille O'Neal was on the back of that Top Crop card. The other one. Sean Kemp, Dana Barros, Terrell Brandon, Steve Nash. Oh, how young he looks. Karl Malone. Shining Moments. Pooh Richardson and Kurt Thomas. Ooh, another reprint card. So the other one was Nate Archibald. And again, these are only supposed to be one in every 24 packs. Charles Barkley, Star reprint. Very nice. Clifford Robinson, Dale Davis, Derek Fisher, rookie, and Ray Allen. Come on, focus, focus. Well, you can see. Glenn Rice, Theo Ratliff. George Zedek, Rex Chapman, Tim Legler, Shining Moments. I have not heard of this guy. And John Stockton, Golden Moments. Arvidas Sabonis, Clarence Witherspoon, Rick Smits, Cedric Ceballos. Unfortunately, only that one Jordan so far. Kendall Gill, Terry Porter, Hakeem Olajuwon, Shining Moments, Jerome Williams, rookie, Elliot Perry, Clyde Drexler, and Latrell Sprewell. Okie doke, so only a quarter of the box left. Ooh. Wow, these are refractor reprints. Top Stars refractor reprint. Scottie Pippen, reprint, refractor. You can't really see it, but it does have the refractor coating on it. Very cool. This was a good box. Jerry Stackhouse, Eldon Campbell, Mitch Richmond, Karl Malone, Shining Moments, Martin Mersup, again, rookie, Alfonso Ellis, and Steve Smith. Shaquille O'Neal, Christian Laettner, Damon Stoudemire, Shining Moments, Steve Nash, rookie, insert, Avery Johnson, Derek Coleman, Jerry Stackhouse, Jim Jackson. Terry Porter, Kendall Gill, Dennis Scott, Golden Moments, and Allen Iverson, Shining Moments. Luke Longley, Detlef Schrempf, Rex Chapman, and Loy Vaught. Only 2 packs left. Okay. Rex Chapman, George Zedek, Robert Parrish, Golden Moments. Reggie Miller, Shining Moments. Ed O'Bannon, Bryant Reeves, Tom Gugliotta, and Anthony Hardaway. Last pack. Glenn Rice, Theo Ratliff, Roy Rogers Jr., rookie, Robert Parrish, Golden Moments again, Bob Sura, Michael Finley, and Dana Barros. So that's it. That's the whole box. I will do a quick recap. These, pretty big stack, are the Golden Moments and Shining Moments cards. Let me just separate them now, because there are a lot more Shining Moments than Golden Moments. And unfortunately, no Kobe rookie. Okay. And I'm not sure, I may have gotten the whole Shining Moments set, but I'm not sure. Excuse me. So these are the Shining Moments. These are the Golden Moments. Here are the reprints. This is the Scottie Pippen reprint Refractor, the Charles Barkley reprint, and the Nate Archibald reprint. Then there was the Top Crop Jason Kidd and Anthony Hardaway. Top Crop Hakeem Olajuwon and Shaquille O'Neal. Let me show you the backs of those. There's the Hardaway and the O'Neal. And then the other insert I got was the Eldon Campbell parallel card, TSC Matrix. So pretty neat box. Got some nice cards. No big Jordans, but I'm pretty pleased actually. And I will see you next time.